Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this simple flower keyring. We will be using size 4 yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Start with making a magic circle and make 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the circle. Next round we'll make increased stitches into every stitch. So you'll make 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch of a round below, and I'd like to mark my first stitch so I know when I've finished the round. So that's 1, 2, and then 2 into the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next round we will do a single crochet followed by an increase. So you do 1 single crochet first, and then into the next one there's 2 single crochets, which is increase stitch, and you'll keep repeating this all the way around, and you will have 18 stitches after finishing this round. Next round we will make single crochet and then increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So you will repeat this all the way around, single crochet first, then the increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 24 stitches. Next round we will make single crochet stitches all the way around. So you will be making 24 single crochet stitches. When you get to the end of this round, fast enough and cut your yarn. Now you have to make same again. So make another circle just like this one, and then I'll show you how you start adding the petals. Once you've done your 2 circles, we will be attaching them together, and your circles will have a right side and the wrong side. Put the wrong sides inside so that both of the right sides are facing out. You take your yarn, what you will be using to make petals, and you will be joining these 2 circles together by going through both sides of the circles at the same time with single crochet stitches. So attach your new colour, chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then single crochet going through both sides of your work. So you pick up the next stitch from the back one and single crochet through. Go through the both loops in the front one and the both loops at the back one. And you'll go through 20 stitches, and then we will go and add a little bit of stuff in. Once you've done your 20 stitches, you can tuck in these tails and also add a little bit of stuff in. And then go back and complete a circle all the way around, make another 4 stitches. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to finish. Then chain 2, single crochet into next stitch, chain 2, single crochet into next one. You'll be repeating this all the way around. You'll end up with 24 loops. Finish your loops by slip stitching at the base of the first loop, and then slip stitch again right into the center of that first loop, chain 1 and single crochet 1 into this first loop. I'm going to mark this so it's just easier to see when you get back to the end of this round. Now make 5 double crochet stitches into the next loop. So yarn over, go through the loop, and then pull through 2, and then pull through the next 2. And we'll be doing this 5 times into the same loop. So that's the 3rd double crochet, 4th, and the 5th. And then you will be making a single crochet into the following loop. So that's how the petals will be formed. You're doing a 5 double crochet stitches into one loop, and the next one we'll make a single crochet stitch. So we'll do this one more time. So 5 double crochet stitches into the next loop, and then a single crochet into next one, and we'll repeat this all the way around, and we will have 12 petals. When you've done your last set of 5, you will then slip stitch to that first stitch where your stitch marker is, and then chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip 3 stitches from your hook, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch into next chain and all the way down back over to flower. Slip stitch just between these 2 last petals as well, just to make it secure and fast enough. Get your yarn needle and sew in this little bit of a tail. And now get your key ring, and that chain 3 space, what you left on the top of this chain, is just enough to feed through your keyring attachment, and you're done.